guys, we got some cinnamon donuts. These are actually delicious. Hey, what's up, brother? Man, we're gonna walk. Oh, it's a nice cool breeze right now. Okay. Now I really like this message right here. It said, ask a stranger kind. And it says, talk to strangers. And this is a really good message because the only way the world gets better is we start talking to each other as strangers. And here's all the guys. This is what I love about Joburg, guys. Alright, so this is back to the food area. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna hold off before I go in there. Let me finish my donut stick first. These donuts are delicious, guys. Let me sit down for a minute. Really delicious donut sticks. Alright guys, so this is the mala I bought. Let me see if I can get a picture of it for you. Yo, this is what looks way better in person than what I saw in the picture. So funny story, every country I go to I actually get a custom made mala. And so this is my first one in South Africa. And this is really beautiful, yo. I can't wait to do some meditations with this. See, feeling earthy, the plantido. All right, guys, let me go throw this in the trash. All right, that little bit of breeze kind of charged me back up. Thank you. All right, let's walk around some more, check out the place. Next time I know, I'm gonna just come here on a Saturday and a Sunday and just split it up. This thing is beautiful, yo. Oh my God, yeah.
I know. What if you open it whole and then be like, oh my God.
I couldn't. I was like, I gotta see it. What am I gonna be meditating with?
While I was putting it away, I was like, I hope he's not staying in Africa for a while, just in case you can get bored out of this. Otherwise, there's a life that's around with you in that glass car.
You know, I just told the camera, I was like, you know, most people don't know. Every country I go to, I get a custom made one. And I'm like, yo, this is beautiful. I'm like, yo, this is nice, man. I love it. I'm gonna walk around. I don't think I've even seen most of the market yet. No, I've been walking. Honestly, I forgot about you. No, because I was in the food area and I was like, where's Daydreaming Donuts?
I've been daily pictures like 5 times on the post, and you like all of them.
You do realize that means nothing to me.
Thank you so much for coming there.
Of course I was gonna come.
It was great, and I'm so sorry that I didn't get time to actually properly give us a bad
You have my number, so.
Yes. And once you actually have time to go have a look at it, a proper look at it, I hope you have a wonderful experience.
And I'm gonna let you know how my first meditation with it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you know.
Oh, by the way, the evil eye beads and the small brown ones, you don't count them in the 108.
Okay.
Yeah, but you'll see that as we're going around. You'll see which ones, the crystals, and then like some others, and what the space is like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're actually confused, I can just send you a message about it.
Okay. And then, so we gotta talk anyway about the Are You Video? Yes. All right.
Okay, bye, Jason.
All right.
Thanks for having me.
If I don't see you again, enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye.
Excuse me. All right, guys, we're gonna walk around some more. See if I can get as much footage as I can before the camera dies out.
Like, you know, when you come to that.
And so it just gives you another look. There's another DJ over there. Really cool. Really family friendly out here. I'm loving this. How you doing?
I was like, hi, I'm recording. Fast jag vill prata med mig.
Okay, we got essential oils here. Nice. Okay, I think I'm back at the beginning now. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I'm back at the beginning now, guys. Oops. So that's good to know. So we're gonna walk around this center part here. Let you see this. Nice bags. Okay, I saw some people carrying out some of the sheeps earlier. How you doing, brother? Really cool. All right. Then this is my brother from Benmore Gardens. You may have seen him in an earlier video of mine. Doing all right, brother? Good. Great to see you out here, man. And look.
Otherwise, how you been?
Doing great. Still loving it, brother. Still loving it. You know what, guys? I need.
You're alone today, right? You're partner in crime.
Oh, he out making music, man. He got, you know, hitting that grind.
Okay, that's cool, man. You want to got a two, eh?
Hey,
Yes, bro.
we can never stop the hustle.
Exactly. Okay.
So what I'm gonna get, guys, I'm going to get. I need another bracelet. Let me.
Try it on. So that's a hematite.
You know what you think about that, guy? I actually like it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the hematite. Yeah.
Want a packet or do you want to?
I'm gonna put it on now. So the reason why I'm getting this one, guys, the banding is a lot tighter because I have big. Yeah, because I have big hands, guys. I stretch those out very quick.
When you come by Benmore, you can bring it and then I can.
Oh, okay.
It's a beat or two. Just make it okay. on gel.
And he has just about every gemstone you can be looking for, brothers.
Exactly.
And here it goes. This is the hematite.
Very hematite.
Look at it, feel great.
You know.
Let me cut the camera off for a second.